What is an orchestra? An orchestra is a group of people who play musical instruments that play together. And an instrument is simply a device for making musical sounds. Some instruments make their sounds by banging things, like skins, or pieces of wood, or bits of metal. Some instruments make their sounds by plucking strings, or by bowing strings. Some instruments make their sounds by blowing against a reed, and some need a brass tube to make their sound. Put a collection of these instruments together and you have an orchestra.